Okay, this is crazy. I have never seen our creek this high before. I mean, it's never been up here. And my sump pump outlet is underneath. It's never gone through the woods like this, ever. We've lived here 6 years. And this water is flowing big time. Nope. I've never seen it this full. It's up into my grass. And you can't even see the outlet there. There's so much water coming through. Unbelievable. Unbelievable how much water. This is still way higher than normal, but you can see the mulch up on the grass where it was, and all those black leaves over there. I mean, the water was high. This is still much higher than normal too. But it's way down. It's down, I don't know, maybe 2 feet.